All right, guys, welcome to my taking profits video. Something that I have been getting millions of requests for, maybe like 64 requests, but let's just say millions of requests for. Thank you guys all for watching these, by the way. I just have my 1K challenge account here. Just topped the 3K mark today. Started this on Monday. I'm going to kind of talk to you about how I've decided to take profits. Most of my profits here are almost all from silver. So if you've been following my silver all week, you pretty much know why I've had such a great week. So let's jump into Facebook today. A lot of people are asking, okay, when are we going to take profits? We were talking about Facebook all day. I know it was a very hot thing. It pretty much went up all day. You couldn't go wrong. You could buy in literally any time and probably have made money today. So let's look at a Facebook option that you probably would have bought today. We always recommend at least a month out. If you're just playing it for the day, at least go to next week. Don't go next day unless you're really good at this and you feel really comfortable with a high risk, high reward option. Let's go with August 28th. So 3 weeks out, still pretty high risk, but a little bit higher reward here. So let's say you bought the 260 today, back when it was at 250, and you wanted to know when you're going to take profits in the day. Um, Ideally, you would have done your charting and everything beforehand, had a price target in mind, and kind of know where you think it's going to get today. I know we share our charts in the chat all day, and we know when it breaks support and resistance, and that's the best way to figure out when you're going to take profits and when you're not. So let's go back there to Facebook here. So we were looking all day. We were talking about how it was making right here a bull pennant, and then it broke through, and then it made another bull pennant, and it broke through, and then this is after hours here. So it kind of sold off to the end of the day, and that's just due to people taking profits. So basically what you're looking for right here is when you're going to want to start taking profits, because it's making a bull pennant, and it can either go up or down. So maybe you scale out right here, and it breaks up, and you scale back in. And then it goes up and it starts going down, making the pennant again. And right here, it kind of has a head and shoulders. I know this is a real simple chart. It's not like our in-depth charts we chart there, but basically you got your shoulder here, your head here, and it's right at the base of the shoulder here, and it could either break down or up. So you start scaling out right here, and then it goes back up, and so you get confirmation that the bull runs back on. You could scale back in. That's the simplest term. The real simplest way to take your profits is when you feel happy with the return. If your goal every trade is to make 10% on that trade, then take profits at 10%. It's fine. You don't have to trade and get FOMO. Don't look at it after when you're done making the trade. Take the ticker off your watch list and add it back tomorrow. I don't care. Just so you don't look at it all day and you don't sit there and get the fear of missing out and be like, why did I sell? Why did I sell? Why did I sell? Oh my God, I'm missing out on so much money. No, it's fine. You made money. That's the best part. You made money. Don't think about it. Go enjoy your day. Go do something else. If that's all you're doing that day is making that one trade and your goal is 10%. But if you're getting really good at charting and you're getting really good at identifying patterns, that's when you can really start getting technical with it. And I guess that's the simplest answer on it. And that's probably the best way to look at it when you're new to trading is take it when you're comfortable. Or if you start seeing, a fault in the patterns, wait for confirmation where it breaks out either top or bottom. So if this would have broken out bottom out of this bull flag, you would have sold for sure. And then when you get the confirmation still going, you keep buying. And then if, again, it's head and shoulders / pseudo pennant, if it would have broken bottom, you would have sold for sure right here. But because it went up, you could have kept holding and had confidence, and you probably already in the money here, and you could have held it all day. So I know that's real simple because Facebook went up all day. And that's probably the best answer on Facebook today. Maybe we got time to look at one more here. So maybe here's another one where you see this pennant here and the breakout here. And so you buy in because you got confirmation it's breaking out of this pennant. And so it breaks up here. And then you see that it is making another pennant. And then boom, it breaks down. You sell right here. As soon as it breaks out of here, you sell right here. So this is a failed pennant. That did not surpass the previous pennant, so that is obviously, and it also made a bigger pennant, and it broke out. So this is what you would have sold out here. So this is just showing you a kind of a failed pattern where you would take your profits or stop loss on. Thank you guys for watching.